Hello, this is Easy Tech 101, and this week we'll be using Drupal again with the website that I created before. And we're also going to be talking about APIs and using CodePen for this video. So, as you can see, this is the website I created last week using Drupal. I added a few more things to it, such as rules, permissions, entity, reference fields, and relationships. So that's what these were from last week, as you can see. And then this is what I added, what show all of the courses. But I'm going to focus on IPAs and explaining how the CodePen and the website are communicating with each other using my IST 402 Professor's CodePen. And so I've been trying to figure out how to use this for the past week or so. I'm going to show you how or what I've learned from my research and from some trial and error. Although I'm not an expert, this is some pretty interesting things I'm going to try to explain to you all. So first off, IPA stands for Application Programming Interface, and it basically allows two applications to communicate with each other. For example, this website is the CodePen. This is my professor's example. And so this one is the API. And in order to get to this page, you have to download the JSON formatter, which is this up here. And you can download that on the Chrome Web Store. And once you do that, you can type in your domain up here and then just add this JSON API to the end of it. And then all of your content information will be here. And there's also two ways you can view this. This is the JSON view here, but if you didn't have that installed, it would just look like this and it'd be all jumbled up and you couldn't see everything as you wanted to see it, like here. Because for example, I could go down to the node course, and these are the courses I put in, and this is all the information when I went into here, the schedule, and that's the courses, and it's just showing you the content. For example, if you would add a course, it's all of this information that's being shown in here. So yeah, so for example, with my professor's CodePen and API, since I couldn't get mine to work, unfortunately, because I don't know what I was doing wrong. My names of my fields and stuff were slightly different, like title and image, but I still couldn't get it to work. But I understand the code, how he got all this to work somewhat. But anyway, so first of all, this is his Drupal website that he made, and for example, this is his API, and he just put that there, and you just need to use these lines of code in order to get the course title, which he displays right here. And then he also has the course image, which is obviously the picture there. And then you have to use, put just your regular domain right there. And basically, you also need to use the JavaScript over here in order to make it all show. So he has the attributes like on his. Here's the app attributes, and he's just going in to find the title to make that show, and then he's putting the picture. I might pass it up, I'm not sure. Oh, here's one of the pictures I believe that he used, but he made those come there. This is the URL for the picture that he used to have it show up, and he resized it to fit nicely on the page. And so yeah, basically title, got it here, and the body in the image, this is what he used for his caption or title. And yes, so although I'm not very sure how he used this, it's still pretty cool to see how you can use both these websites together to see basically like this is what his main one looked like, the website he's using. So yeah, that's basically it. Sorry I'm not the best at it, but still learning. Drupal is one of the more difficult CMSs to learn, but once you get to learn how to use it, then it's pretty awesome and you can make very high-tech websites. But for now, I'm Easy Tech 101, and I will talk to you later.